You can't help but have a sense of awe when you walk through the doors of the National Air and Space Museum's Udvar-Hazy Center in Chantilly, Virginia.
You look down on the SR-71, Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, and then behind it, the Space Shuttle Discovery. So it's a real iconic viewing station there.
And the SR-71 and Space Shuttle are just the beginning.
And we collect everything from private all the way up to the really important military. And some planes may not have their own really big history, but they're an iconic type of a design, like the King Air that we have. And it just shows the value of a great design and how it's still the most popular turboprop aircraft of today.
One of the airplanes that you may recognize is R.A. Bob Hoover's legendary Shrike Commander. Bob delivered the airplane to the museum in typical Bob Hoover fashion.
And he arrived here. He asked the tower if he could do just a short flyby of the Dulles Airport and our specific tower here, the Engen Tower. And he did it just a smooth, beautiful flight, and he taxied up to the north door of the hangar. And Bob just decided, you know, I'm going to deliver this airplane and I will deliver it in style. And he taxied it right into the north end of the building. And then turned everything off, stepped out and said, here's your plane. It was just, you know, one of those moments that you really enjoy working at the museum, when you are able to deal with someone like that with such extraordinary personality and skill.
Visitors to the museum can get a glimpse of the process of restoring the airplanes for display. This B-26 is one of the major restoration projects going on now.
Something that's definitely got a huge history to it is in back of me is Flak Bait, the Martin Marauder, that is in various pieces, as you can see back there. And this is a very storied aircraft from World War II that flew more bombing missions than any other aircraft, 207. And it's called Flak Bait because it attracted a lot of flak. Somehow it lumbered back through all of these missions, made it time after time, and so has a real reputation as one of the really star aircraft. And so on the exterior, though, you know, we've done cleaning, done very, very carefully. We don't want to lose those flak holes. That is obviously a huge part of the history of this aircraft.
The Udvar-Hazy Center gives visitors a chance to look back at the history of aviation while also introducing future aviators to the world of flight. And with all the incredible experiences here, it's worth a trip. Josh Cochran, AOPA Live.